Baker. The term baker refers to a person who professionally bakes bread, pastries, cakes, and other baked goods. It is both a job title and a common surname. As a job title, a baker is responsible for preparing and baking various types of dough-based products using ingredients like flour, yeast, sugar, and butter. They often work in bakeries, restaurants, hotels, or even run their own bakery businesses. Here are a few examples of how the term baker can be used. 1. Job title. My sister is a baker and she works at a local bakery. The bakery is looking to hire an experienced baker to join their team. John decided to become a baker after discovering his passion for baking. 2. Surname. Mr. and Mrs. Baker are our new neighbors. Sarah Baker is a well-known actress in Hollywood. The Bakers have been living in this neighborhood for over 10 years. In both cases, baker refers to someone who is involved in the baking profession, either as a job or as a family name.